Fire. Machine gun on the DB5. Now, watch this. Oh, what? You can change the number plate. This is epic, epic. All right, come with me. This is the DB5 Goldfinger Continuation Edition. Look at this, look at this. Okay, this one right here. On. Activated. Ready? Fire! You got a smoke screen. This is mad. You literally disappear into it. What? Unbelievable. This one, you've got your oil slick. Fire. It's actually water in this version, but in the movie it's oil. Come with me. Your bullet shield. Look how quickly that comes up, and this is a real bullet shield. They have tested this with bullets. That is ridiculous. All right, look at this. Pop that open. You've got a Bluetooth connected phone. Hello? Yes, it's Bond. James Bond. What? This is ridiculous. Pop this back in. Now, this is cool. Turn this off. Place this in here. Wireless charger. And then, look at this, guys. Come around. This right here is your control panel for all of the gadgets. Oil slick, rear smoke, front rear ram, guns, hatch, bullet, number plate. Oh my, this is ridiculous, so cool. There's a hidden button right here. And you've got the locator. Look at this. Press this. And you have a real map of where we are with the original radar sounds from the movie. This is unbelievable. You got the roof hatch for, look, the ejector button. 5-speed manual. This is a 4-litre straight 6 with about 300 horsepower.